M, and today's topic, the lowest common divisor. Finding the lowest common divisor. Sometimes people actually call that the lowest common denominator. What we're looking for is the lowest number that both denominators have in common. Well, we'll be looking for that eventually. Right now, we're just trying to look for the lowest common number. So first, we find the factors of each number. Then, we take the highest exponent of each one of those factors. When you multiply them all together, you have your LCD, or your lowest common divisor. So here's an example. 135 and 216. So we're going to start by breaking up 135. We know that 135, because it ends in 5, is divisible by 5, so we can pull out a 5. 5 times 27 gives me 135. Next, I know 27 is 9 and 3, and that 9 is 3 times 3. So we have 3 3's being multiplied together, or 3 to the third power times 5. For 216, I know it ends in a 6, which is divisible by 2. So I'll pull out a 2. That leaves me 2 times 108. I also know that 108 is divisible by 2 because it ends in an 8. And so I pull out a 2. That leaves me 54. And 54 is even again. It ends in a 4. I can pull out a 2. 2 times 27. And we found 27 earlier. That was 3 times 3 times 3. So 2 I have 3 times, so 2 to the third power. 3 I have 3 times, so 3 to the third power. So my LCD is going to have 1 5, 3 to the third power, and 2 to the third power. So that means my LCD is 1080. So how do you know what numbers to use for factors? Well, first, look at the number. If it's even, meaning it ends in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, divide out 2. If the numbers add together to give me something that 3 goes into, I divide by 3, or I pull out a 3. If it ends in a 5, I would use 5. If it ends in a 0, I would use 10. So I would pull out 10, or 2 times 5. If none of those work, I start testing prime numbers. And here's a short list of some prime numbers. So prime numbers: 7, 11, 3, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59. There are many more prime numbers, but you can stop looking when you get to the square root of the number. So if I had 64, the square root of 64 is 8, I would stop looking when I got to the number 8. So some factors of 373. I want to break up 373. So let's think about this. It doesn't end in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, so I can't pull out a 2. If I add the numbers together, 3 plus 7, that's 10, plus 3 more, that's 13. That's not divisible by 3. It doesn't end in a 5, and it doesn't end in a 0. So I've eliminated 2, 3, 5, and 10. All right, so let's find the square root of 373. The square root of 373 is 19.31. So I stop looking at 19. So I'm going to use my wonderful calculator, and I'm going to do 373 divided by 7. Nope, didn't work. 373 divided by 11. Nope, that didn't work either. 373 divided by 13. Nope, that didn't work. 373 divided by 17. That didn't work either. 373 divided by 19. That didn't work either. So guess what, guys? 373 is a prime number, meaning we can't factor anything out of this number. If you have any questions or an idea for a future video, leave a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Check out the channel for other math videos. Bye!